Hello guys, welcome back. This is your faculty Sutharshan for your paper number 3, Quantitative Aptitude. Now in this video, we are trying to solve RTP of September 2025 attempt. What I just wanted from you, just listen to the classes with the calculator, okay, basic calculator. Next thing, have some piece of paper for rough work. Once it has done, just solve along with me, get a tips along from me. Okay, don't do anything which is beyond taking the notes and all. I have written perfectly a handwritten note by step approach. I have written completely. I will just share it with you at the, in the description below. You will get this notes as well. Whatever we are trying to do it, you will get it. Okay, for to make you better understanding, I also have the online calculators which will be helpful for you to make you visualize the thing whatever I am trying to do. Even I can do this, but due to some camera issues or I could not able to, if you could not able to see, that's completely fine. We will use this and we will try to get this. Okay, first thing we'll quickly solve. We'll try to, I will assure you at the end of this session, by solving this 30 questions, you can easily get a concept and also some exam oriented tips as well. Okay, first thing, find the missing term of the series 7, 26, 63, 124, 215 and 342. First thing guys, whenever there is a number series and whenever the missing term, see the difference. The difference are very huge. If the difference are very huge, either it can be of multiplication or the combination of two operations, multiplication addition, multiplication subtraction and the multiplication division. It can be in a different form. Okay, if I say multiply into multiply, that is nothing but square. 2 into 2, it is nothing but multiplication of two numbers is square, and multiplication of three numbers is cube. Multiplication of four same numbers is power 4. That's a difference. See, if you just see, and whenever you came across with missing series or some of the terms, you should also know square values and cube values. Then only you can easily able to approach this. 7, 26, 63, 124, 215 and 342 has been given. See, number 7 has been given. See, 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. Somehow 7 has been there. Somehow put 2 cube minus 1. You got the answer 7. Fine. 26 you do. Instead of 2, we do 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 27 minus 1, you got the answer 26. Then do the same thing for 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube minus 1. Then 7 cube minus 1. Then come to 8 cube minus 1. What is 8 cube value? 8 cube value you will get it 5112. 5112 minus 1, which gives you 511. So 511 is nothing but option D guys. Now come to question number 2. What is question number 2? Easily we will do. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is V? 3, 2, 1. I is 6. R is 5. E is 4. Done. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has been there. What we are trying to do? Take the value, write 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, 4. Just copy paste these values. Just take and write it. S, 2 is Y, 1 is M, 6 is E, 5 is R, 4 is 0. Just go with option C is your answer. Now come to question number 3. What is the question number 3? Question number 3 is in a certain code. December is written as C guys. DECEMBER. They have written this in a form of ERMBCEDE. Which word will be written as ERMBVENO? That's what they are asking. The reverse part they are asking. So we are in a position to find out. Easier one, we will quickly do it. DE. So NO can be written first thing. CE has been written as last to second. So VE, NO, VE. Then MB has been written as MB. So we can written MB as in the third set. ER. So ER can be written. So it is basically option D. By just looking into this question, you can easily get the answer guys. Now come to question number 4. See, this is a direction kind of question. Ravi faced towards north. See, Whenever the question is there, you will assume you are from a starting point. From a starting point, you are facing towards north. If you are starting facing towards north, you are in this way, you are facing towards north side. Okay, you are facing towards north side. Turn to his right. Immediately he is turning towards east position and walk 25 meters. He turns to his left. Left means he is turning towards north. Okay, and walk 30 meters. Next he takes a move towards east and walk 25 meters, and he then turns right again and walk 55 meters. First I need to cover this 30 and again 25. So this is 30, this is 25. So put together 55 done. Now what they said, finally he turns right and moves 40 meter. First 25 meter I need to cover, and then I need to cover 15 meters. So 15 meters I will cover. So now see from which position is from the starting point. That's a question. In which direction is now from a starting point? From a starting point you need to see. See, north, east, south, west, west, south. This will be your southeast, southwest, northwest, and your northeast. Now in which direction is there? Southeast. So the answer is option D, guys. Now come to question number 5. What is the question number 5? Pointing to a gentleman, Deepak said, his only brother is the father of my daughter's father. Whenever pointing out some is there, what you need to do? See, always read the question from the back end. What is the back end? My daughter's father. My means who is saying? Deepak said. So my denotes Deepak. So Deepak will be there. Deepak has been there. Daughter. Deepak is having a daughter. Daughter's father is nothing but Deepak. What is the next word? Back end word is father. Just draw father. Now what is the next word? Brother. Just draw brother. His only means that is like a gentleman. Okay. His only brother is the father of my daughter's father. That is, how is gentleman related to Deepak? That's a question they said. How is gentleman related to Deepak means to Deepak who is a gentleman. To Deepak, for me, who is a gentleman? Assume I am a Deepak. For Deepak, who is that particular gentleman? For me, Deepak, first generation. First generation cannot be either there can be a father, or either it can be an uncle, or either if there can be a brother-in-law. The option either can be B, C, D, not A. So the answer is Deepak father, brother. For Deepak he is uncle. So option C is your answer. Easy thing. Now I will give you a certain tip for logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is a trap. I can say for many people it is like a trap. For those who are particularly depending on logical reasoning 20 marks to pass, for them it is a trap. What I will say, whenever you sit for a preparation of logical reasoning, you will prepare a logical reasoning first. For example, I will tell you. See, if you are starting CA foundation right now, whenever you are for preparation, that is nothing but classes. In classes, you can start logical reasoning. Then move to mathematics, and then you can go for stats as well. This one way most people do, or you can either interchange this portion, depend from person to person. Whenever you sit for revision, don't do logical reasoning. Directly do stats and maths. Last thing, if you want to do logical reasoning. Whenever you go on for examination, apply the same whatever you revised. Do logical reasoning. Don't do logical reasoning first. First do stats or maths, and then do logical reasoning at the end. Why, sir? Sir, for logical reasoning they are asking 20 marks. Out of 20 marks, you need at least 30 minutes to 40 minutes to solve this 20 marks. Suppose if the question paper is easy, similar to Jan 25 or September 24, you can easily get a logical reasoning mark. What if May 25? May 25, most of the people are feeling difficult in logical reasoning, and most of the people are finding difficult in mathematics certain part. That's what I said, logical reasoning is a trap for you. Don't blindly believe on logical reasoning and entering into the exam hall just I am having 20 marks with me. Don't do this mistake, guys. It's a blunder mistake you are doing. What you need to do, always, whenever you, this is the first time you are learning, then do logical reasoning, which is not even relevant with mathematics and the statistics. This is a basic mathematics, it's a common sense, I can say. So that's the thing you need to do. Now come to question number 6. Okay. Listen, guys. Right now, I have spent 10 minutes to solve this 5 questions. See, I am myself solving each question 2 minutes means in an examination hall without my guidance, how you will think it and how you will solve it. So from now onwards, I will assure you at the end of this 30 questions of a completion of next 25 questions, you will feel you have learned many things from me. That's a guarantee I will give it for you. I will focus more on quality of the questions, more of quality of concept, more of quality of shortcuts I will give it for you. I will apply I will try to solve both in shortcuts as well as in the different way. Okay, you will try to approach me whatever I am doing. Okay, believe me and approach me. Trust me, you will easily get to know the concepts easily. Now come to find the value of p from root of 4 power whole power minus 6 into square root of 2 into whole power minus 4 is equal to 2p. That's what is the p value, that's what I are asking. Simply I will do it in an actual method, in a pen paper mode I will do. Then I will make yourself comfortable with the calculated trick. That's a 2 method I will do it. Root 4 power minus 6, this can be written as 2 power minus 6, that is root 4 I can written as 2 into cube root of 2 I can written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 4, which is, if you cancel this, you will get an answer 2p. That is equal to 2p. 2 power minus 6 into 2 power minus 2 you will get it, which is equal to 2p. That is 2 power minus 8. If the bases are same, we can add the numerators. We can add the powers. That is 2p. So p is equal to minus 8 is your answer. Direct answer. Option C is the one option. Or what you can do, you can go with the operations which I am going to do right now. See, what are the operations I am going to do? You will just solve this. Okay. Just take a calculator. Go with a step 1. This is for those who are from a non-mathematics background. Those who are not good at mathematics, for them this is a trick which we will do. So this is a question number 6, right? Yeah. Question number 6. Press 4 in your calculator. I am just doing whatever operations has been there. I am simply doing. You know very well, whenever 2 power minus 1 has been given, I can written as 1 by 2, right? Which is nothing but 2 power 1 divided by 2 power 1. That's the thing. Okay, in the same logic I have written. Okay, whatever that sum whatever I have solved, I have given over here. See, whatever I have solved there, I have given here. You can just cross verify it. That's a one method I have done. The another method I will do you. Take a calculator, press 4, then do square root, then into equal to, again equal to for 4 times. Okay, then divided by equal to, which you will get this answer first. What is the basic logic? 4 I have done, root button I have done, so I have done this inside operation, then power 6 is there, so into equal to means power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6. That I can basically get it as, here I will get up to 07, I will press it, I will get some answer, and then for reverse calculation to take into a denominator, I am doing divided by equal to, I will get this answer, because in an examination you will never get a rough sheet to solve the answer. You will only get two pages at the last end of the question paper. For them, this kind of calculator trick will be much helpful. This you should mark it in a piece of paper, like we are noting down in a piece of paper. What is the step 2? Press 2, then root button, into equal to means square, into equal to again means power 4. If you are pressing into equal to, it is square, again into equal to, it is power 4. If you do again into equal to, it is power 8, again into equal to, it is power 6. So we need only into equal to divided by equal to, you will get an answer 0.25. Multiply step 1 by step 2, you will get this answer. Once you got this answer, mark it. Okay, then to conclusion or to further for a confirmation, we will go with the simple logic. See guys, whenever the answer is going to be you have already got the answer. See, here you are getting 2 power p, means 2 power p. What is the main answer we are getting in decimal? If I put 16, I will get a full value, whole number value. If I get 2 power 8, again also I will get the whole number. Means that is a natural numbers, I will get it. If I put only 2 power minus 8 only, I will get my answer in decimals. If I put 2 power 4, it is also basically 16. So that should not be answer. Always my C should be my answer. Okay. For that, we will assume, we will substitute 8. For 8, what we will do? Into equal to means it is power 8 divided by equal to, reverse thing. For minus 8, we are doing a reciprocal thing. Then you will get the answer. If this answer matches with this answer, your answer is correct. This may see you are spending more time on it, but I will give you guarantee. Just solve this question again and again for 5 times or 6 times. With this thing, you will easily get an answer. Now come to question number 7. For question number 7, we are approaching towards trial and error method. For trial and error method, I just want to give you one more tip. What is the tip I want to give you? Always choose option B or option C. Why, sir? Because the examiner will know. Even if you are finding some shortcut to complete the question, the examiner doesn't know it. So most of the examiner or the paper setter will keep their option in B or C, rarely D, and sometimes in A. Rarely in A, rarely in D. 90% of the cases, or if I can say in the safer side, 70% of the question will have an answer B and C. But don't go blindly with B and C. I will say start with B. Either you can get an answer in C, or either you can get an answer in D, or sometimes you can get an answer in A. For out of 100 questions, you are getting the answer 15 in A and 35 in B and 35 in C and 10 in 10 or 20 in D, means which is more probability is there? B and C is there. So we will approach that first. Okay. Now come to this. I will just say, you will just do it in a calculator. We will check the answer. So this is your numerator value. This is your denominator value. My numerator, I should get it 43, and my denominator, I should get it as 2. What I want to do, for right now, I will assume an option A. See, this is my P, this is my Q. Just take a calculator. 7 into 5 m plus 4 into 3, that is 3 into 4, 3 into 4 m minus, I am just substituting it, MRC. What is the answer you are getting? 7 5s are 35, 3 4s are 12, 35 plus 12, you are getting an answer 47. But you need a numerator 43. So this is not your answer. The numerator itself is not getting, so you are never going to get it too. Okay, just leave it. Now come to option B. What is option B? 7 into 4 m plus 3 into 5 m minus MRC. I think 7 4s are 28, 5 3s are 15, 28 plus 15, you will get an answer 43. Okay, numerator is done. Now come to denominator. What is the denominator? 3 into 4 m plus 2 into 5 m minus MRC. 3 4s are 12, 2 5s are 10, MRC 12 minus 10, which gives you 2. So both the answer you are getting. So my answer is option B. Now come to question number 8. What is the question number 8, guys? Sum of 2-digit number is 10. So what is the condition number 1? If we add 2 numbers, you will get an answer 10. If what is the condition number 2? If 18 is subtracted, resulting number is equal. Resulting number is equal. We'll go with trial and error. I will go with option A. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7, yes, you are getting, condition number 1 is satisfied, you are getting the answer 10. Now come to condition number 2. Subtract minus 18 from this. 37 minus 18. What is the answer you are getting? 19. Now condition number 2 is not satisfied. both the conditions should be satisfied, then that should be your answer. So option A is not my answer. Now come to option B. 73, fine. 7 plus 3, 10. Condition number 1 is satisfied. Now come to minus 18. 73 minus 18, 55. So resulting number is equal. Resulting number will be equal. The digits in a resulting number. Digits in a resulting number means 5 is equal. That should be, you should understand. Like this, if you do, you will save a time. Within 20 seconds we have solved. Okay, don't assume x plus y is 10, then x plus y, then final value minus 18, you will get a value x. Don't do this. Simple, easy approach. Speed solver. That's a main goal for us. Now come to my favorite area, MOF or TVM, time value of money. This is the most favorite chapter. 14 marks, don't leave this. Okay, the difference between compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum for 2 years. For 2 years, we have shortcut. Pi square is equal to compound interest of second year versus simple interest of second year. What is I? I is nothing but R by 100. Okay, someone will say P R square also, they will say. I will keep it as Pi square. Okay, P into 0.06 whole square is equal to this value only, they are given 13.5. I will say the calculator trick. Just take a calculator, solve it and get an answer easily. From now onwards, whenever this kind of question is there, directly apply the calculator trick. 0.06 into equal to divided by equal to into 13.5. Just apply this 0.06 into equal to divided by equal to into 13.5. You will get an answer 3749.99, which is equivalent to 3750. Option E. Easy, super, fine. Paka. We will go for question number 10. From now onwards, we will quickly do. Okay. A machine for useful life is estimated to be 5 years. Cost is 5,000. Rate of depreciation is 10%. What is the scrap value? They are saying. See, there is a formula. What is the value of the asset? Value of the asset is equal to, the formula is cost, that is basically a machinery value, into y 1 minus I whole power n. So I will apply in both the methods. For them, those who are remembering the formula, one method. Directly applying the calculator by simple logic, we will apply in one calculator. See guys, cost is 5,000. 1 minus 0.1 whole power 5, which is basically 5,000 into 0.9 whole power 5. See, take a calculator. 0.9 into equal to, if you do that, 0.9 into equal to means in the corner you are getting 3. Now you are getting 0.81, means for squaring, if you are getting 0.3 means we need 5. So in the corner of the calculator, how I need to do? Up to 6 I simply press equal to button. Up to 6 I will simply press equal to button. I am getting 0.59049. Now simply multiply by 5,000. Multiplied by 5,000. You will get an exact answer 2952.45, which is an exact answer option A. Okay, I will give you one more trick, which is for those who are not remembering the formula, but that same application of formula will be done. Take a value 5,000. Do minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%. Do this logic. 5,000 minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, which you will get at 2952.45, which is easily within a matter of 7 seconds you will get it. Again I will do 5,000 minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%, minus 10%. Less than 7 to 10 seconds you will get an answer. See, if this kind of question is there, you will save so much of time, which will be helpful for many complex chapters. Now come to question number 11. What is the question number 11? Which is basically they are taken from combination. Every two persons shake hands with each other. If assume this is a hand of one person and this is hand of one person, they are shaking the hands. Okay. And the total number of handshakes is 66. There are total number of handshakes is 66. They are asking how many guests has been there. Fine. For this also we'll go with trial and error method. Okay. First we'll check option 11. 11 persons is there. They are checking 2 persons is making a handshake. Handshake means you are getting 2. So 11 into 10 divided by 2 into 1, which is equivalent to 55 is my answer. But I need an answer 66. For them I will choose an answer option B. What is 12C2? That's a 2 is a restriction is there. So 12 into 11 divided by 2 into 1. So if you do, you will get an answer 66, which is exactly equivalent to my question. So option B is my answer. 25 minutes is over for 11 questions. It may take another 25 minutes to solve. Just keep listening. Now come to question number 12, guys. What is this question number 12? The ways of selecting 4 letters from a word examination. How many letters are there? E, X, A, M, I, N, A, T, I, O, N. So total, I think it is 3, 6, 9, 11 letters. So total 11 letters are there. Out of which A has repeated twice. I has repeated twice. N has repeated twice. Fine. Yes. Now, the ways of selecting 4-letter word. If you see, out of 11, 3 repetition is gone. I have only just left with 8 letters. What are the 8 letters? E, X, A, M, I, N, T, O. These are the 8 letters. From these 8 letters, what I can do? There will be a case to case difference. What is the case 1? From these 8 letters means that is all are different letters. All the letters which I picked that for 4 letters, all them are different. If all them are different, out of 8, I need 4. So 8C4. What is 8C4, guys? Take a calculator. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which I cancel for 4, 2. It is 3, 2, then 2, 2 gets cancelled. 7 into 2, 7 into 5 into 2, which is equivalent to 70 from my case 1. That's a one case with all the letters are different. Now come to case 2, guys. What is the case 2? The case 2 can be either I can select out of that, see, 2 letters, or 2 letters. I will keep it as 2 letters. 2 letters is from E. Out of total 11, is there. Assume if E is selected, if I want to tell 2 different letters plus, or that is a condition, or that I can say and condition, and 2 same letters, nothing but if I say 2 letters is from a different word and 2 from the same. Okay, now what I will do, I will tell you. Listen guys, if you are selecting 2 letters and 2 same, suppose from this, if I select A, that is a repetition thing. How many repetitions? I, N. From this, if there is a 3, out of which I need to select 1, because 3C1 is nothing but I will get a 2 letters. Okay, multiplied by, what is if A is gone? If A is gone, how many letters are there? E, X, M, I, N, T, O. 7 letters are there. From 7 letters, I need to choose 2 letters. Because here 2 are same means they are 2 are combined, aligned. From 3, I need to choose 1 so that I will get 2 letters. And then from the remaining 7 letters, I will select 2 so that I will get a 4-letter word. 3C1, I can say it is 3. 7C2, that is basically 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1. If you cancel, you will get 3 into 21, which is equivalent to 63. Okay, this is a 2 thing which I have done. And case 3, what is case 3? Both combo. For example, if I can say if A is selected, I and N to be selected other 2. So which is basically from 3 letter, but it's a 3 set of letter N, I need to select 2. So if I select AA, then it can be II, or either it can be AA or NN, or either it can be AA or either it can be IINN. This is the only combination is there. Combo 1, combo 2, combo 3. So 3C2 is nothing but 3C1 which is equivalent to 3. That's how you got the 3 combination. Now 70 plus 63 plus 3. 70 plus 63 plus 3. What is your answer? Add this. This is a long question which I prefer to omit this in examination. If you have time, go with this question, or else solving this kind of question by just getting 1 mark. Do you feel is it good to go with this question, or we can find many questions to the back end of the chart? 70 plus 63 plus 3. What is the answer you are getting, guys? 136. Option A is your answer. Now come to question number 13. Now 13, if it is from statistics, we can easily play. See, if AM and GM are the two numbers, that is 6.5 and 6. AM is 6.5 and GM is 6. Fine. What is the respective two numbers? They are asking for two numbers. Very simple. We will go for trial and error approach. Condition number 1, AM should be 6.5, that is x plus y divided by n should be 6.5. Condition number 2, same GM number should be, that is root of xy should be 6. We'll go with the condition. Take a calculator, guys. 6 plus 7 divided by 2. You're getting 6.5. Then, fine. Condition number 1 is satisfied for this option. Now come to condition number 2. 6 into 7, root button. 6 into 7, root button. You are getting 2.645. You are getting 2.645, which is completely wrong. What you need to do? Remove this option from you. Then directly go with option B. 9 plus 4 divided by 2. You are getting exactly 6.5. Fine. Next, 9 into 4, root button. 9 into 4 equal to root button. 9 into 4 equal to root button. You are getting exactly 6. So your answer is option B. Both the conditions are satisfied. Now come to question number 14, which is from sequence and series. The sixth term of an AP, sixth term of GP, T6 they are asking. Common ratio is 2, R is equal to 2. First term A is equal to 5. First term A is equal to 5. T5 can be written as A into R power n minus 1. So T6 is equal to A into R power n minus 1. What is A? A is 5, R is 2, n is nothing but this 6 minus 1 is equal to T6. So 5 into 2 power 5 is equal to T6. What is 2 power 5? 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 5 is equal to 2 T6. 32 into 5. You getting 160 is your answer. Directly we can do. We are also having a calculator trick for it. I don't want that calculator trick to be used for this 14th one, pen paper mode or orally. If you are someone who is good at mathematics, they can do this sum as orally they can easily do. Now come to question number 15. There is a two different way of understanding this question. Someone if understand g of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. This is a wrong way of understanding this. Okay, this should be understand. This is a one way of understanding because they are not even given in a proper way x by x. But if I want to tell you what is the exact thing they are given, x minus 1 divided by x. This is a approach. This is completely differ from this. This both are not equal. They are completely different thing. Now we will take this to solve. See, simply substitute this. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2, which is equivalent to minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2, which is equivalent to minus 3 by 2 into reciprocal of 2 divided by minus 1. Minus minus got cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, you will get an answer 3. Option D is your answer. If you are assuming this, you will never get an answer. That's a different story. I have written over here. See question number 15. If you assume like this, If you assume like this, you will get an answer 3 by 2, which is never there in your option. Don't come and blame me, sir. Its option is 3, sir. 3 by 2 has been given, sir. No, it's not there. Okay. 16th one. What is the 16th one? 16th one also I will do it in a two-way approach. See, first thing, do a differentiation part. Okay. Do a derivative part. What is the 2x? X square you can derive as 2x. If you constant is 0, x you can derive as 1 and constant if it's 0. Then apply the limit x extends to 3. Then that is basically 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. This is a one-way approach, or method 2 I will give you. This is in a form of a square minus b square, correct? Is it in a form of a square minus square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 3, then x minus 3 will be there, then limit x extends to 3 will be there. So minus 3 gets cancelled. So it is 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. That's an alternative way of doing it. Okay, so the answer is option B is your answer. Already 35 minutes is over, guys. We will quickly do this question. See, 17th one. What is the 17th one? Integration of 0 extends to 1 and 2x square minus x cube they have given. See, now if you can able to understand the integral thing, how I can write this as, see, this can be written as 2x cube divided by 3 minus x power 4 divided by 4. It's a basic integral 0, 1. I put the limits. Now I will substitute 1. 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Then 0, 0. Why minus 0, 0? Substituting of 0, I am getting 0. 0 by 3 is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. So, this is basically 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 2 by 3 into 1 by 4, if I take an LCM, 3 4s are 12, cross multiply 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, if you do this cross multiplication, you will get 5 by 12. So, which is option B, guys. Are you able to understand this? Yes. Now come to question number 18. Question number 18 is slightly from a differential part, which will be easily done. Okay. See, dy by dx has been given to you. Y is equal to 4x cube plus 8x power 7. Now if I do an integration thing, they said x square. First I will do a differentiation. 4 into 3 into x square, which is basically 12x square plus 8x power 7. So that is 8 into 7 into x power 6. 8 into 7, which is equivalent to 56 power x cube. See, if I know x square is 2, x is equal to root 2, correct? If x square is 2, we can easily substitute 12 into 2, because for this x is equal to 2, I will substitute 2. Plus 56, x power 6 has been there. I will try to make you understand. If x is root 2 means, see, if I multiply 2 root 2 into root 2, that is basically x into x is 2 means x is alone is root 2. Then only if you multiply this, you got this answer 2. Okay. Now if you multiplied again, that is basically for x power 6 I am saying, for this you will get an answer 2, for this you will get an answer 2, for this you will get an answer 2. Okay, so x power 6, which gives you a value 8 as your answer. Directly we can also substitute, or alternatively what can be done I will tell you. The same thing can be written as 56 cannot be touched. X power 6 can be written with respect to x square power 3. X square whole power 3, which is 3 into 2, which will give you 6. Then if you substitute 12 into 2 plus 56 to this portion, I can substitute 2 cube, which is 24 plus 2 cube is 8. That's what I tell. Directly x power 6 is 8, guys. Okay, 56. So 56 into 8, which will be 448. 24 plus 448, which eventually 472 will be my answer. Now, 19th one. The best method to collect the data in case of natural calamity. Natural calamity, which is the best method? Personal interview is the best method. Natural calamity means personal interview. Man-made accidents means it is an indirect interview. We can do it. The entire upper part of the table is known as box set. It is not body, it is body. Box set. Entire upper part of the table is box set. The standard error can be described as, this is a direct question, standard deviation of a statistics. Next, what is the standard deviation question they have given? This is an interesting question which make me to explain you how important this calculator is. Okay, see, they are given some series of numbers, right? Whenever this series of numbers has been given to you, you can approach in two different ways. What you need to do, first we will blindly go with the formula. Standard deviation is equal to root of summation x square divided by n minus summation x by n whole square. The summation x by n is equal to x bar. That is basically nothing but arithmetic mean. You need to square the arithmetic mean. It is a difference between the squares of the observation, squares of the average of the squares of the observation, subtracted by the average of the squares of the observation. Okay, that's how it can be interpreted. This I can give you step by step approach. I have written this. First I have write for make myself comfortable to not to miss any values. I write it in ascending order, but it is not required. You can easily do it. First thing, we are taking pen and paper for only two things. One to mark this value and to mark this value. For those two things only we are taking pen. Okay. Or pencil, whatever. Now come to this approach. I have written this clearly, don't focus on that. Just come to this. This is a formula which we are going to use. See. First find what is n values there. How many n letters has been there? 25, 32, second letter, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 values are there. First find, that's your step 1. Now come to step 2. I have rearranged them in ascending order. That is 24, 25, 31, 32, 33, 43, 48, 53, 59, 68. These are the numbers. We are doing this operation right now. Take a calculator. Just apply this entire step 2. Blindly apply this in step 2. 24 into m plus, 25 into m plus, 31 into m plus, 32 into m plus, 33 into m plus, 43 into m plus, 48 into m plus, 53 into m plus, 59 into m plus, 62 into m plus MRC. What is the answer you are getting? What is the answer you are getting? Don't miss the flow, guys. 24 into m plus, 25 into m plus, 31 into m plus, 32 into m plus, 33 into m plus, 43 into m plus, 48 into m plus, 53 into m plus, 59 into m plus, 62 into m plus MRC. I am getting 18.56, 18,562. Then do divided by 10. Why it is divided by 10? Because this operation requires divided by 10. So divided by 10 equal to, you are getting 18. What is the value you are getting? See, 18,856.2. We will only mark 1856.2. Okay. Now come to the next step. X bar we need. So blindly go to this place. Simply take all the values and add it. 24 plus 25 plus 31 plus 32 plus 33 plus 43 plus 48 plus 53 plus 59 plus 62. You get 410 divided by 10. You get the answer 41 square into equal to. You got the value into equal to 1681. So 1681 we will mark. Find the difference. Minus 1856 56.2, which is equivalent to 175.2. Take a root value. You are getting the answer 13.23. So option A is your answer. The step by step has been given to you. You will just take a calculator and you can solve this. And also I have given this PDF in the description below. You can also check that. Now come to question number 23. What is the question number 23? What is the first quartile? Q1. Q1 is equal to I into n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Okay. First always arrange them in ascending order. That's a step 1. What is ascending order? 10, 12, 16, 15, 16, 18, 20, 23, 28. So totally they are giving what value? 3, 6, 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 by 4th observation. 1 into 9 by 4th observation. 9 by 4 I am getting 2.25th observation. It is not my answer. It is an observation. So this can be written as second observation plus 0.25th of third observation minus second observation. So this can be written as second observation. What is the second observation? It is 12, not 18. It should be ascending in order. First thing. Okay. 12 plus 0.25 of third. Third is 15 minus 12, which is 3, which is 12 plus 0.75, which is 12.75. The answer given is wrong. It is not 15.75. It is 12.75. Just change this answer. Now come to question number 24. What is this question number 24? The last 6 question. Make yourself comfortable. It has already been 45 minutes is there. If you are feeling very slow, if I am doing, you can just watch it in 1.25x speed or 1.5x speed. If you are already watching that, kudos to you. You have just saved your time. Okay. If the quartile deviation of a normal curve is 4.05, then what is the mean deviation? There are different methods to do this same sum itself, but I am doing in a different way. See, I will give you one method writing and one method in my notes. I will explain that as well. Okay. QD is 0.675 sigma. Okay, they are given 4.05 divided by 0.675 is equal to sigma. Just do this. 4.05 divided by 0.675, which is equal to standard deviation is equal to 6. Mean deviation, MD, mean deviation is equal to 0.8 sigma. 0.8 sigma is nothing but 0.8 into 6. 0.8 into 6, which is equal to exactly 4.80. So option D is your answer. Alternatively, this can be written as this is a something which is you can remember. QD MD SD is equal to 10 is to 12 is to 15. QD MD SD is equal to 10 is to 12 is to 15. If QD by MD is 10 is to 12, QD by MD is 5 by 6, you can return. QD is equal to 5 by 6 of MD, or MD is equal to 6 by 5 of QD. So MD is, if you want directly, that is 6 by 5 into 4.05, which you will get it as 4.86, which is approximately equivalent to 4.80. Okay. Now come to question number 25. 25 easy calculator trick I will just give you. This is from whenever combined arithmetic kind of question is there. Whenever combined arithmetic kind of question is there. So the what is the formula? Repeat with me. Combined arithmetic mean is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. This a logic will be there. Okay, this is a formula. Okay, what? This is a group 1. This is a group 2. This is your n value, x bar values. This is your x bar values. Take a calculator and do 30 into 50 m plus 20 into 60 m plus MRC divided by 50. Just do it in a calculator, you will get an answer within 5 seconds. 30 into 50 m plus 20 into 60 m plus MRC divided by 50. You will get an answer 54. Option C is your answer. Now come to question number 26. Two variables x and y are related. 5x plus 2y plus 5 is directly given. Just substitute it. 5 into 5 plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. 25 plus 5 plus 2y is equal to 0. 30 is equal to minus 2y. 30 divided by minus 2 is equal to y. So if you cancel, you will get an answer minus 15. Minus 15 is your answer. Now come to question number 27. What is the question number 27? It's an easy. What is an arithmetic mean x bar? coefficient of variation has been given as 20. So we know the formula. Coefficient of variation is equal to, what is the formula, guys? I forgot it. Just remember me. Just try to help me. What is the formula? Covariance sigma divided by x bar into 100. I just got it. So what is the covariance? It's 20. What is your sigma? Sigma is not been given. X bar is 5 into 100. So if you cross multiply 100 by 100 is equal to sigma. So sigma, that is standard deviation, is equal to 1. Okay, standard deviation is equal to 1. They are asking variance of 15 minus 2x. You can just do standard deviation of 15 minus 2x can be written as modulus of 2 into standard deviation of x. Modulus of 2 standard, already this minus is there. You can write it this in a form of modulus. So it is 2. So 2 into 1, which is basically 2. From a standard deviation perspective, you can directly move on to variance. Variance is nothing but standard deviation square. So that is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4. The answer is 4. That's a one way of approaching. Alternative way, I will write it already. See. Directly variance of a plus bx square can be written as b square x. That is nothing but we can directly written minus 2 as 2 square x. That is 2 square into 1. So that you will directly get an answer for this. Direct way of approach. Direct way of approach. After this step, you can directly go this, or either you can go with the way. This is a two-way approach I have given. Whatever is comfortable, you will go with it. Okay. Now, just listen with. They are asking coefficient of determination. What is the coefficient of determination? R square. What is the coefficient of correlation between two variables? R is equal to 0.5. So 0.5 into equal to. That's it. 0.5 into equal to. Whenever exam is there, don't write a formula, guys, for coefficient of determination. R square has been written. Then substituting it and then getting answer. It's not a deal. Okay. Last two question. Before going to 29, slightly lengthier. To make you yourself comfortable, I will just try to complete question number 30. What is the chance of picking a heart from a card set? How many heart cards are there? There are heart, spade, then heart, spade, diamond. I can say it's clever. Somebody say heart, spade, clever. Okay. Heart is card is 13. How many cards is there? From 52 you are deriving 13. Okay, fine. From 15 you are deriving 13. Fine. Or condition has been there. So you will do add a queen and not from a heart. There will be a 4 queen cards. Okay, they said it should not be from heart. Then it should be from remaining 3. So that is 3 by 52. Which is 16 by 52. If denominator is same, we can do 16 by 52 can be written as, if I cancel in 4 table, it is 4 by 13. So my answer is option B, guys. Okay, now come to question number 29. Final question for the day for September 2025 RTP. Keep calm. We are in a last question. Just we will do it. See, R is equal to 0.5 has been there. Summation xy is 120. Standard deviation of y is 8. Summation x square is 90. What is the value of n they are asking? See, just return you for better example. First thing, either we can go with a two-way formula. This is a one way. What is the formula? N into summation xy minus summation x into summation y is divided by root of n into summation x square minus summation x the whole square into summation n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. This is one formula. What you need to do? Divide the numerator and denominator by n. If you do the denominator and denominator by the n, and by assuming summation x and summation y will give you 0 values. Okay, if you assume like that, then summation x and summation y, summation x will remain same. This will remain same because it will get cancelled, 0 0 no value summation x, and then if you cancel this, you will nth root, and instead of that we will take sigma x and into nth root, and we will write sigma y. Okay, and if you just substitute it, instead of nth root into nth root, if it becomes n, r is 0.5. Summation xy value, they are given summation xy value is 120. We put 120. N we keep this, and sigma x, summation x we need, summation x we need. So what we need to do, summation x, for that we will write as 90 by n. Okay, 90 by n, and then summation y they are given 8. Root of 90 by n, how the root of 90 by n, what is the standard deviation formula, we have just derived it. Okay, the next thing is this can be substituted. If this can be substituted, this can be written as 0.5, and if you just cancel 120, if you just cancel it and if you just do it, it is, you are getting this value, and then from this you will just take this value to that, or here you need to do squaring on both sides. If you do squaring on both sides, 0.5 will become your 0.25 and 225 divided by 90n. If you just solve, you will get an answer n is equal to 10. This is a one way which may find difficult. Alternative way, r is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar, and some nth root of summation x minus x bar the whole square, summation y minus y bar the whole square. Here we are making a two assumption, x is equal to x minus y bar, y is equal to y minus y bar. This is the assumption we are taking. For this we are substituting x. For x minus y minus y bar we are substituting y. Okay, then divided by, for this portion we are calculating x square, for this portion we are substituting y square, so it is basically y square. We know the r value, that is 0.5. Summation xy value we know 1.120. Summation x square value we know, that is 90 has been given. Y square we keep it as y square. We need to squaring on both sides. We'll get 0.25, and 120 square will get 14,400. Root of 90 can be written as 90. Root of summation y square can be written as summation y square. Now if you just do a cross multiplication, you will get an answer 640. Instead of this only, we have written y minus y bar is equal to y. So we have written 640. We know standard deviation of y is equal to 8. What is the standard deviation formula? What is the standard deviation formula? Alternative formula, x minus x bar the whole square divided by n. This is an alternative formula for standard deviation. Before that I have written a different formula that will be helpful for calculator purpose. This is not helpful for calculator tricks. So that only at the time I have never introduced this formula. Okay, now you have written. Now just do a cross multiplication thing. 640 has been substituted. This 640 has been substituted. Then if you do squaring on both sides or cancelling the roots, you get 640 by n is equal to 64, n is equal to 10. That's how we have completed that. See, this is a one way. I substitute to go with this method, or method 1 and method 2. Both are start with a different formula. That's a thing. Nothing is different. Okay, that's a different way of approaching a problem. But we are approaching the same problem. At the same time, we'll be getting an answer as well. Okay. With the last 58 minutes, we have seen 30 questions. Means I have spent 2 minutes to explain each and every question. If I am taking that much of time to make yourself comfortable, means it is for me. I'm assuming you are learning for the first time. That's how I will take the class. I will take the sums in the class. So what you need to do, first thing, keep on practicing this 30. Okay, this may give you a practice over the calculator, practice over the concepts, practice over the formula, remembering of the formula, everything. Okay, which make yourself comfortable. In the upcoming days, I will be some of the videos related to QA in the parallel line, which makes yourself comfortable to make 50 plus or the 60 plus in the upcoming September 2025 examination. Stay tuned. With this, signing off of Sutharshan. Have a great day, guys.